So I had to take a break from working on the fridge because I ran out of time to do it in one day. And I come back into the brewery the next day, and apparently my father has paid some people to put up a wall. So, in case you were wondering why suddenly the room got a whole bunch smaller, that's the reason. I hope it can fit through the door. Back at it. I have to tuck the vinyl under this lip right here and then bolt it back down. This stuff has been sitting on the shelf for years. If you don't know, tape can get old and won't work anymore. So I think to get everything lined up right, I gotta put the door back on it. This damn thing weighs a ton. Okay, so the tape didn't work at all. So I'm gonna do it up like my boy Nate, aka Tabasco Sweets. It actually kind of worked. Oh. Okay, never mind that. Okay, make an idiot of myself. Take 47. Look at this thing. Got a light on it or something? Makes glue dry instantly? I don't know. Let's try it. Oh, I'll just fill the hole that broke my 50 drill bits with some glue. I think this stuff is making me go blind on top of everything else. Totally worthless. I think it's dried up. Hot glue take 2. Just try and do quick blob this time. See if it'll even hold. Damn glue. This is my life. Has to be a hot, sticky mess. Sounded like a rapper when I said that. Oh, that's currently holding. Let's see what we get. Oh, damn. Never mind. Failure 2 in the books. Oh, good. My hot glue gun's melting my shoe. Ouch. I also get to peel all this off every time I screw this up. Wonderful. This damn thing melted a hole in my shoe. I can't win. So obviously this isn't 5-minute crafts. This is break you down emotionally and take many, many days. Lifelong burden, which doesn't have the same ring to it, but you know, at least it's not clickbait. A larger patch on there, that's not too bad. If that'll hold, we'll be in good shape. It'd be nice if it would sit there, at least temporarily. Would have been nice if the tape worked. Oh, that hot glue feels good on the skin. Okay, that's actually going a lot better than I thought it would. Damn it. Oh, man. That is a searing hot burn. Oh, I love. Oh, the best part of this whole thing is I just realized I have to take the door off again. The best. Yeah, the trick here seems to be to put the glue on the vinyl. It cools down almost immediately when it touches this metal, so if you try and put it on the metal, it'll be cold by the time the vinyl gets to it. It's actually not going too bad for the first time in a while. It's a good thing I got 40 dozen glue sticks. Brought some extra clips, family. Ooh, that one was smooth. Oh yeah. That was a good one. Wibbity wibbity. Restretch the vinyl. I got a new drill bit. It's the kind you use to drill metal. And comes with a tap. By hook or by crook, I am going to drill a hole in this damn refrigerator. Why the hell was that so easy? It's a good-ass drill bit. One of those armor-piercing ones we get from the army, I guess. Okay, well, that looks like crap. working on the back, so I'm not being too careful, really. This hot glue gun can't even keep up with me. Oh, that hurts. I think it looks pretty good, to be honest with you. I mean, I still got more to go. I'm going to put some trim and a handle on it and shine it up. I might even put some paint on that grate. I don't know. But thanks for checking me out. I'm sorry. I think I'm going to have to make this a 3-parter. If you live anywhere in Albany, I should have my doors open soon. My brewery's not great looking, but it's got beer, so I hope to see you.